And good afternoon, Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a video tour this afternoon of this 2021 Heritage Glen 356 QB. It's a great family model. Come on inside, let's take a look. Stepping into the living area of the coach, you're going to notice we've got a sofa. It's a trifold sofa, so it does make into a double-sized bed. We've got a nice fireplace that works as a heater, as well as a fireplace, electronic, all-electric, CD, DVD players. You've got the nice large flat screen, lots of cabinet space throughout the coach, four-door fridge. You've got a dinette booth that will seat up to 6, makes into a nice large bed. Nice kitchen area, lots of counter space, 3-burner stove, oven, and a pan drawer underneath the oven, microwave, ceiling fan. You've got a nice pantry. Stepping into this back area, it is amazing. Tons of sleepage area for the kids or for family members that come hang out with you. They've got their own bathroom back here, lots of window space, extra drawer space, cabinet space, closet space. This coach is an amazing family unit. Going to step up into the front bedroom area. You've got a walk-in closet set up for washer dryer. You've got a dresser drawer set up, king-size bed with storage under the bed. The bathroom you can access right here in the hall. You've got lots of counter space, a nice sink, porcelain toilet, corner shower, lots of room for toiletry items, towels. Let's go back outside and take a look. Well, coming out here, you're going to notice we've got a nice step set up, solid step with a large grab handle, outdoor speakers, large electric awning, LED lighting behind the awning, big front compartment space area. Walking to the back of the coach, you're going to notice we're set up for backup camera. We've got a receiver hitch for an extra storage container. Coming down the side, we've got nice large water heater, extra capacity water heater, a nice docking station. This coach is a 4 Seasons coach, heated underbelly, large fiberglass front cap, all LED lighting on the exterior. Again, just a fabulous coach, great for the family. And I want to thank you for your time this afternoon. Again, my name is Ron McGowan. Please call and ask for me directly at 541-968-6010. I'd be happy to help you with this or any other RV needs you may have. Have a great day.